This is by the airport, just past the main terminal, heading southbound. Caught a ride again today. Check them out, check them out. That's a nice bar over there as well too. I do believe this is a main road. This is one of the original roads of the island as well too. Asian supermarket is right there, directly across from Bowen. Stop by and check out the Sugar Shack. Met some amazing people that was staying right here at the yacht club, Isla Bonita.
This is where I'll be turning in.
I got dropped off over here, so now I gotta walk south, keep on heading south. Got some fish donated to me as well, and drop off from a nice, cool, great, awesome fisherman. This is where the San Pedro Belize Water Express is at as well. It's just back there. This is the exit only, alright? This is beautiful. They did a great job here. I got a second ride. This is the famous gas station. We got dropped off here. Hardware store. Told me that this resort here is also open to allowing locals. They allow locals to use their bar / food area, but I have never checked it out. Might be something that I might have to do before I depart. So I did some research, and there are some amazing Creole family that was on the island during the 19th and 20th century. He kind of like, they made it like fade into the pages of history and time, that seems like the islands and San Pedro, primarily San Pedro, that there are not a lot of Creole of African descent mixed with British and other European, that they weren't on the island, or they don't have like a strong permanence and presence on the island. Well, they do. I do believe there are still some currently on the island right now, but they have been on the island since 19th and 20th century. I got the names written on the notepad, but my hands are all full, so I'll have to wait till I get to a better location where I can pull out the notepad and give a shout out and call out their last names. Support local. Come on guys, stop. Support. So I'm getting closer to my destination. I think I'm staying in San Pablo. Some people say it's San Pablo, others say it's DC or DFC or something. I really don't know. The only way I have as a way to offer like a reference point or landmark is, I would say, Alea, or just south, the far south end of the airstrip, where the airstrip is ended, where the planes taxi off and taxi in and off. That's where I'm at. That's the only two reference points that I can offer, because like I said, some people call it something else and then others use different names. I'm just trying to like give you guys an idea where I'm at, where I'm headed. That's pretty cool. Kind of offer this like it's a bodega, but it's not a bodega. It's more of a like maybe like kind of like a little supermarket. Look left, look right before crossing, and I at least check both sides twice. That's my cue. Glass buildings down there in the distance. So that's Alea down there. That's the landmark reference point. And water truck. You can see, sells water. So now hiking towards a little bodega. This is a neighborhood bodega up in here. You can see we got a little jungle up in here. I don't know the name of the street. That's another issue. But I'm coming up on a little bodega, the neighborhood bodega. There's two of them back here. This is it right here. This one is pretty popular. There's always people going in and out. And right here, there's a little fast food kitchen right here. The corner right here. That's the entry point right there. That door. And that's it right there. Yes, that's some sort of resort, I'm assuming. So I'm getting closer to the other bodega. It's on this back street. And then I'll highlight another little hidden gem back here, but I'm not gonna walk over there. I'm just gonna highlight where it's at. Like right over there, there's a left-hand turn over there. Well, I'm saying a left from off of here, this street. Then you make a right, or you veer right over there, and that's the bagel shop is right there. So this building right here, that purple building, that's the bagel shop. I'm assuming both of them are one and the same, but it seems like they share the same spot. That's a coffee house, I guess. Got a little hidden jungle right here. And it's pretty awesome too, man. Allow nature to exist in certain locations, have habitat for the flora and faunas. this road right here, the airstrip ends right there, right at the end of this road, landmark reference point. And then the bodega that I'm heading to is coming up right after this right turn off the corner. This property right here belongs to the church. And we googled it and I found that out because we're trying to find out the name of this street. But yeah, this is right here. This is a little bodega. This is a hidden gem right here. Huh. I love it because it's so close by. I blink and I'm at it. And this is it right here. Church directly across. That's what I came for. Trying to get some chips. I didn't plan on it, but they have chips now. Hype us up, hype us up, hype us up. We work for like, shares, and comments. Good evening. Remember to subscribe. Check out the about section. There are more things available to the general public there that you guys can partake in. Over and out from the south side of Hamburgers Key. Also a little bodega down there as well. So there's a bodega back there. I just recently found out when I was googling about the street, I found out that there's a little bodega back there. Maybe I should walk back there and check it out. Let's go check it out. Even though I'm finished, I'm a little closer to the house now. I'm gonna walk away from the house just to see what's up with this bodega. It's my first time coming. So yeah, this one seems like, it looks like the official bodega. Let's go and see what all they have. Man, I wish I was paying attention. I could have come and scored black pepper here. But see, it's a great little spot. There might be like some little pastry shop back here as well, because I saw some tourists came back here and pick up pastries. I found a little gem. There's also a little bar back here as well. See right there.